Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying the exact Epson model and the operating system you're running, because driver mismatches cause the error. Once done, power the printer and disconnect USB to avoid conflict. Keep it on the network or ready for reconnection. Now download the correct driver package for the model and OS version you noted. You're starting the active fix immediately, verifying versions, preventing port conflicts, and gathering the installer so you can run it without interruption. Next, remove any old Epson software to clear corrupted drivers. Use Control Panel uninstall or drag the app to trash on Mac OS. Then restart the Print Spooler service on Windows, Open Services. MSC, restart Print Spooler, or perform a print system reset on Mac OS to clear queued jobs. After the cleanup, run the downloaded installer as administrator and choose the full driver and utility bundle. If firmware prompts appear, accept them to ensure hardware and driver compatibility, because that often resolves the unavailable driver state. Finally, reconnect the printer and add it using the Add Printer wizard, making sure you select the exact driver you installed rather than a generic one. Print a test page and observe the printer status and chosen port. Verify it's not using a legacy or virtual port. If the driver still shows unavailable, try a driver clean utility or fully uninstall and reinstall on another USB port or another computer to isolate hardware from software issues. This single troubleshooting step often reveals the real cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.